How to see your Facebook password on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to see your saved password on your iPhone if you haven't forgot. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open password app on your iPhone. Alright, after you open password app and confirm with your Face ID or passcode, you'll have to just search in the search field for Facebook. From the section, if you find any Facebook password for your account, you can directly view it from here. If you not find it, you'll have to just try to check by opening any browser on your iPhone. After you open browser, at the bottom, tap on three dots. From the section manually, you'll have to swipe right, and from the section, tap on password manager. And from the section, you can as usual check it. If you not find it, you'll have to just recover that password. For that, open up Facebook app. And from the login section, if you haven't forgot, tap on the option forgot password. From the section, you will have to just find your Facebook account as by your mobile number or search by email instead. Alright, from the section, provide your email address. Alright, after you provide your email address that was associated with your account, tap on continue. Okay, as you can see, I have directly logged into my account as this device or Facebook is recognized that this account or this Google account is already logged in on my iPhone. So in your case, it might be requiring you a 6-digit verification code that you will receive on your Gmail account. So from that section, you'll have to just confirm with that 6-digit verification code. After that, you'll be able to set a new password on your Facebook account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.